Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is Sunday morning and a Rastaman comes from work. It is Sunday morning and a Rastaman have some money in him pocket to buy a food, but still him hungry. It is a Sunday morning when we come face to face with Akiman. Welcome, Akiman.
Yeah, good morning, Jamaican people. You know, it's that joy and happiness to know that life continually, you know.
Akiman,
I see it.
we know your name is Nelson. What Nelson are you?
Yeah, Kenneth Nelson, you know.
You're Kenneth Nelson.
Yeah. Really
Now, Kenneth Nelson, we did a video recently, and the video they shot over 32,000 hits. I know you're one of the main source of this video going shot, because I speak truthfully from the heart. What do you feel about hunger and starvation? Especially when you know you don't have no money, brethren, for buy some food and you're hungry. Tell people more how you feel about hunger.
Yeah, first of
Straight
all,
out.
yeah, first of all, I have to say big up all brethren and sisters, you know, because separation and on one man, you know. You know, see it, and we say a nation and a generation. A lot of people face it in a few times, you know. I mean, I say right now, I tell you about the real part of hungry. The real part of hungry is myself, I feel it right now. And right now is right now, and I say give thanks and praise to the Most High Selassie, the first, you know, Queen Amiga, Empress I. Yeah, because life divine strength and power, you know. And some people still hard ears and don't want to listen. You know, see, because when a man like me wake up and go and work, and say, boy, me gonna hustle now. And when me take a stop, me can't find nothing to eat and them thing there. It's like a dream to I. It's like I lock up in a jailhouse and can't find the key. You know what I mean? But it's not strange to no one else, because when down Africa stays so, when China stays so, when Russia stays so, when France stays so, and me still not doing no business with no guns and bayonets, it like me suffer. But I still not go look in Babylon for what? Why I can't find.
So hold on there. How come you not blaze the fire? Because me know you a man from long time with a start burn the fire from we start shoot this video. What one you really hungry for true Rasta?
You know, when I have fire, it can't cool and it can't quench, you know.
So you're hungry then, tell the truth.
Do you mean? We don't really want like me want to stress out my thing, you know, because my thing hot, you know. I say give thanks to the Most High Selassie. Why you know what the keeper and I focus through this thing, you know.
Burn some fire upon them now.
Yeah, me I say lava ground can't cool, can't quench, you know.
Fire!
Yeah, me I say a better day, me I say hot it up now, because right now Rome go on like them are the key for this, you know. But me I say none of them conquer Ethiopia, because Africa the real part tight, you know. I say Ethiopian stands, you know, in a yard and abroad, you know. And me I say big up, you know, see, because right now you have to hold the integrity, you know, and your ability, you know, because life a courtesy. You know, see it, I will not bow down for nothing, because nothing, you know, see it, I will say lightning and thunder, brimstone and fire and earthquake for the wicked. You know, see it, because there's no way to surrender them unknown murderers there. Blaze fire! I make them know, so life over death, you know, I say, no matter the consequence today, hunger, because tomorrow can be greater. Bigger pot of food on fire, because we say life goes on.
So you know, the Almighty provide for all of us, see? So we'll never let judge our children hungry. So even though we don't have no money in our pocket today, we know that there's the abundance of money and water and food and everything provided by the Almighty.
Not sure, because when I talk of hungry, you know, I don't talk of hungry, just a pot of food, you know. I want all a building. You know, see if you know, say, boy, the building, alright, I can't go in there, go lie down and rest up and know, say, boy. You know, easy thing in the earth, you know, Rastafari, for find over a government. Because the man that say, I need a roof over my head. You know what I talk about? And I need a roof over my head. So I have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Selassie, because some people still out on the sidewalk or whatever, but you know, see it. Everyone have to just know, so they have to choose them way in their life, because life choose a way. You know, I'm going to say the Most High Selassie the first. I'm going to say let Haile Selassie rise and all enemy dead. Yeah, the most.
What you say, while ago, brethren?
Yeah, I'm going to say let Haile Selassie rise and all enemy dead. I'm going to say that's the way of life, that because some people have to choose their own way. And the goodness of life is only one self. You can't find it in another. You have to find it in your own self, because if you love someone, you know, and you don't love yourself, there is no love. And you see it, I'm going to say right now, I got some food in my belly, you know.
So, well, Akiman, you can give the people in one tune, brethren. Give them a food tune since you're hungry. Give them the tune a bus you.
Yeah, man.
I right time if you drive that through there with the
The life of a star.
You give it, man. But want it, Aki, man.
Yes, great tribulation.
And this is a bus in there, Aki, man. The world like a hear this now, Aki, man.
Yeah, the people them always happy, you know, that's
Yeah.
what I say. The saddest day of my life, when I woke up on an empty Aki tree, and no more Aki for me, for me, for me. The saddest day of my life, when I woke up on an empty Aki tree, and no more Aki for me.
What kind of Aki you do now? Tell the things them.
Aki buy my shoes, Aki buy my pants, Aki buy my shirt, that's why I'm in a rum. Me drink Aki porridge, drink Aki soup, drink Aki juice, and me eat Aki soup. What if I think the on the menu?
Like
Me
what?
say Aki bone, Aki cake, Aki bulla, Aki. That's why I tell you when a man like me.
So, hold on there. When you do all the big tune, oh, say I tell a man, say you're hungry, brethren.
No, not me, I
and
try
no
for sure.
Aki.
Yes.
You saw me catch the Aki, man. To be in a hungry, the Aki, man, because so much Aki tree there in a vineyard town, Rasta.
But when the season come around, you know, when you can't find it's only a little much, you know.
Yeah.
For real, because Aki season travel through traveling and
What do you mean
traveling.
it's only a little much? Aki, they are Jamaica, all part of the island, from all 14 parts, from Portland to Westmoreland, brethren.
But I have the original Aki, man.
Yeah.
I am got a few Aki trees. I don't have all the Aki trees,
But you couldn't have all the Aki trees,
no,
them,
because
brethren.
when you look, I'm not the only Aki man. You have several Aki man.
But what about before you're the original Aki,
Yeah,
man?
I am the original Aki man. You
Yes,
see
I am.
banana and yam, you don't see it.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you, you know, the first is to set up your Aki plan.
So say in last but not least, where's about the people who don't have no food, Rasta?
I feel tribulation for
Yeah,
them
man,
because
I feel it for them
your
too, you know.
feelings is oneself, you know, because when you look upon the bird and the bees and the mountain and the trees, you know, it's a natural moments within life, you know,
Yeah,
because it concerns everyone, and I see it because when you look up in the sky, you know, at the Most High, you
And
know,
the
see it,
Most High.
and no one is higher than the Most High, His Imperial Majesty, Emperor, the Selassie the First, because so time has gone so far, you know, and the overstanding of mankind, you know, if you can't find $1 for buy a plate of food today or tomorrow, boy, it's a survival, Selassie.
Aki, man, thank you very much for this interview. Aye, it's a survival. Lightning!
Thunder, brimstone, earthquake, we can feel it. Aye, Selassie the First.